Ma'am, it's so hot today.
Temperatures are soaring because of global warming caused by carbon emissions.
Can we control these carbon emissions?
Yes, we can control carbon emissions if you produce locally to avoid transport. You know, our state Goa imports most of its fruits and vegetables.
Ma'am, won't growing crops help in reduction of CO2?
Yes, very much.
But ma'am, manpower is costly and hence farming becomes expensive.
So many questions. Hold on. You will get your answers during our educational tour to FARM3R. They are a team of 3 young minds working on farm automation.
Namaste. Welcome to our FARM3R Center. This is our lab. We provide custom services to farmers on an hourly basis. My teammates will now give you a demo.
Namaste! FARM3R bot acts as a plough or a harrow with this 3-point attachment. It helps the farmer in preparing the field. FARM3R turns into a seeder. This tube moves along vertical axis to sow the seed. Seeder moves along a horizontal beam to provide spacing. The FARM3R turns into a harvester which is rolling a tap. The harvested crop is dropped into the transporter for a joyride. Currently, we are doing this manually. The seeder and the harvester attachment must be used separately. The pounding action of this hammer separates the useful parts of the crop, then moves it to the cold storage. FARM3R is controlled remotely with the help of this command center. Wind power and biogas cater to the power requirement of the community and the FARM3R bots. Plant 3R is powered by two EV3 bricks connected via daisy chain mode and moves along X, Y, Z axis.
Congrats Team Legogoa for building flawless machines.
Thanks to you and a big thanks to all these people.